Hello, good morning. Ellen has the hiccups, and we're going to try to cut his nails right now. We have to do this a lot because they grow really fast. They're sharp little things. His favorite thing is to grab and squeeze. And with nails, it hurts. It hurts, Owen. That's two. It's three. It's four. One more and this hand's done. Yes. That's a big thumb one. Thank you, boss. Here, sit up a little bit. Yeah, you can't have these yet. No, you can't have them yet. No, okay, you can have them. It's hard to say no. You can hear his teeth squeaking on it as he bites it. How do you like my long johns? Pretty stylish. Speaking of style, check out Ellen's outfit. Striped purple shirt from Granby. Little knit vest from Consignment. Baby legs of the striped variety. Hey boss, how about if I give you this spoon and you give me these nip clippers? Here, wait. Put this spoon in this hand. Very good. And give me this hand for clippers. Not to be fooled. You're clever. One. Two. I know. Soon. You can have them soon. 3 more nails. Are you gonna let me? No? No? Okay. 3 more nails. That's not bad, you know? That's not bad. Do those squeak when you chew on them? Okay, bud. Okay. It's enough staring at yourself in the computer camera. Say goodbye, folks. Goodbye. Wait, maybe you can see his tooth, actually. Bud, you want to lean forward and open your mouth? No? Someday. It'll capture your tooth on film. Now my fingers are all wet and I can't work the mouse pad.